let's go. There. Just like that. Oh, hey, my friends. It's me, Handyman Hal. I hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. We're in the workshop today, working on some things. And I have a special friend coming to see me today. And I cannot wait until she gets here. That's her. Come on in.
Hi, Handyman Hal.
Look who it is. This is Brecky Breck.
Wow, it is such a pleasure to be here today.
Thank you so much for coming to see me.
Wow,
Oh,
I've never been to your workshop
right.
before.
She's never been to our workshop, so we've got to give you the tour.
Okay.
Yeah, well, on this side over here, check this out. This is my 3D printer. It's a really awesome tool.
Wow.
And look inside. You can see what it can do.
Oh my goodness,
Look at
check this out.
I printed
What
a
is?
yellow dump truck.
Wow, what is a 3D printer? This is like magic almost.
Yeah. So 3D printers are like regular printers. They use really special material called filament.
Oh.
Yeah. And they print 3D objects like this dump truck. Isn't that awesome?
Oh my goodness, that's amazing. How long did it take to make that?
Probably about 11 hours.
Wow.
It's a long time.
That is a long time.
Ooh, another thing, check this out. It's my tools.
Whoa, look at all these tools.
Yep, I have all kinds of tools. Yep.
Oh, do you have a favorite tool?
Of course, it's my hammer.
Oh, I love hammers too.
Oh, they're amazing. And then on this side of the workshop, I have all of the pictures of my adventures.
Wow, look at all those fun adventures.
Yeah.
Tell me about that one.
Oh, that is my friend Abel, and we had a chance to build our own RC car together.
What? That is so much fun.
had
What
so
a
much fun.
special experience.
Absolutely. Well, talk about building. I'm actually building something right here on the table. Yep.
Oh, wow. What is this?
This is a really awesome game. Do you like games?
Oh, I love
Yep.
games.
This is called Limbo.
Oh, fun.
Have you ever played Limbo before?
It's been a really long time.
So the last piece, I have to put together just like that right there.
Okay.
So I'll let you hold that.
All right.
Let's see, let's take these down. Put one there. We'll put one right here. And let me get rid of this table.
All right.
Ah, perfect. All right, let's put one like right here. We'll put one right there. Spin it around. Oh, so. Yep, there we go. Put this right here on the top. Make sure it's nice and level.
You gotta be flexible for this game,
Right?
huh?
Or do you want to go first?
All right, here we go.
Oh, wow! Very good. All right, my turn. Let's see. Oh, wow, that was great.
That was a good game.
All right, now let's go down one.
All right.
Well, maybe around there.
Okay, I think
Oh, you think you can do that one?
We're
All
gonna
right.
try.
Oh, wow, awesome job. That was great.
Oh,
All right,
thank you.
My turn. Here you go.
Oh, that's okay.
So close.
You did really good.
Oh, so did you. Awesome job.
Wow.
You know, I do have another thing that's really awesome.
Really?
Would you like to try it?
Oh, I would love to.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Wow, check this out.
Isn't this awesome?
This is so cool. What is it?
This is my ATV. It stands for Awesome Tool Vehicle.
Oh, I love it.
Yep.
Is that a tool?
It is, absolutely. It's got a lot of my tools in here.
Whoa.
Wrenches.
You need a wrench.
Yep, there we go.
Wow, just a
and of
couple.
course, duct
Ooh.
tape, just in case if we
Yeah.
need it.
Oh, that is so
Well,
awesome.
this is what I use to go to all of my different jobs and projects that I have to do.
Oh, I love it.
Hey, would you like to ride it?
I would love to ride it.
Oh, have a seat. I'll turn it on for you.
Okay.
Right
Oh,
here
yeah.
is your throttle, and that's your brake. You just
All
pull it
right.
back, and you're off.
You ready? Let's go for a ride. Wow, that was so much fun. Thanks for letting me drive your ATV.
Absolutely. Did you like it?
Oh yeah, I felt like I was driving a real race car.
Oh, that's great. You know, there is another thing in town that I think that you would absolutely love to do.
Really?
Would you like to do it?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Gotta lock it up.
Wow, Brecky Breck, look. That is the SkyWheel.
Oh, that's amazing. It's so tall.
It's one of the coolest things here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Yep. Oh, and you know, you can see all of Myrtle Beach and the ocean from way up there.
Wow, I can't wait to check it out.
Ready to go?
Yeah, let's do it.
Go. All right, Brecky Breck, this is where you can actually take your picture.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. You want to take a picture?
Oh, absolutely.
All right, cool. Look right there. Oh. I can't wait till that comes out.
Oh, I can't
It's
either.
gonna be great. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Check it out. Doesn't this look awesome?
Oh my goodness, I'm just so excited. How many cars or rides or whatever they're called?
They're not called cars.
Oh, okay.
They're called gondolas.
Oh.
Yep. And there's 42 of them.
42? That means a lot of riders can go at one time.
Absolutely. And they have 3 special ones. There's one that's wrapped in orange.
Oh.
There's one that has an American flag on it.
Oh.
And there's one that's called the VIP gondola.
Ooh.
And it's see-through. You can see through the bottom
What?
of it too.
That sounds kind of scary. Have you ridden on that one before?
I have, and it is awesome.
Oh,
Yep.
cool. Do you know which one we're riding on today?
I don't know. Which one would you like to ride on today?
I don't know. I just want to go for a ride.
Well, let's go take a ride.
Okay. Wow, this is so much fun.
That's awesome.
Do you know how fast it's going?
Yep. It's not going really, really fast, but it's going 2.8 miles per hour.
Oh, that's a comfortable pace.
We're at the top.
Hi guys. That is so cool.
You know, we're at the top and we're 200 feet above sea level.
Wow, this is
It's really
incredible.
high.
I can see the ocean. I can see pretty much all of Myrtle Beach.
Right?
This is so cool.
Well, do you know there's 21 spokes on this as well?
Whoa.
And
That's a
it
fun
weighs 280,300 pounds.
That's like 21 elephants.
Right.
That's crazy.
Wow.
Oh, wow. I thought I might be kind of scared because there's so much glass here, but it feels super safe and secure.
Absolutely. Oh, and they have air conditioning.
Yeah, that's super nice, especially on a hot day.
Yep. Wow, look. Do you see that?
Oh, what?
It's a kite.
Oh, yeah, those are fun
wow.
to fly.
Oh, that is awesome. Actually, we're above the kites.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh, and you know, at night, this SkyWheel lights up. Yep, it spins around with all different colors.
Wow.
It's really amazing to
Oh,
look at.
that would be
Yep.
so cool to see.
You can
Oh,
see all of the tops of the buildings.
yeah.
Is that a farm over there? I think I might see a farm
Oh,
over
wow. I wonder what kind of animals they have.
there. Oh, you can see all the cars and the people walking down there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
There's so many different colorful buildings, too.
Oh, wow, look. There's even a swimming pool.
Hey, that looks like fun.
Oh, do you know what ocean that this is?
Which ocean is that?
This is the Atlantic Ocean.
Oh,
It's on
wow.
the east side of the United
That's
States.
right. And I live on the west side of the United States, near the Pacific Ocean.
That's right.
Oh, that is so cool.
Oh, do you guys have piers like we do here?
We do, but the water is a lot colder on the Pacific Ocean side,
I
that's
bet
for
so.
sure.
Oh, hey, do you see over there? There's an amusement park.
Whoa, look at that roller coaster. That looks like a lot of fun. Have you ever ridden a roller coaster
I
before?
certainly have.
Oh, wow.
I've actually ridden that roller coaster
Are
right
you
over there.
serious? Oh, man, I'll have to do that someday. Wow. You see these wheels right here? They keep it spinning and moving. Do you know how many motors it has?
Yep, it has 4 motors.
Oh,
Yep.
wow. That takes a lot of work.
There's 2 on that side,
Uh-huh.
and then there's 2 on this side.
Oh, very cool.
And they work together to spin this gigantic wheel.
Teamwork makes the dream work. looks like it's time to get off. That was so much
did you
fun.
enjoy that?
That was great. Thanks for shaking me here.
Well, come on, let's go.
All right. Wow, that was so much fun.
Did you like that?
I know. I learned so much about the SkyWheel.
It's really awesome, right?
It really was.
Oh, well, there's one more thing.
Oh.
Since we're in Myrtle Beach, there's something really cool that we have to do.
Okay.
You want to do it?
Yeah, let's go.
Come on, let's go. Oh, it's such a beautiful
Yes,
day.
it is.
Oh, now, since we're in Myrtle Beach, there's one thing that you have to do.
What is it?
And that's this. You have to come to an airbrush studio.
Wow, check
Look at
this
all of this.
out. There are so many different colorful characters.
Right?
Oh, I love it.
Ooh, have a great idea. Let's get you a Brecky Breck airbrush t-shirt.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, wouldn't that be great?
That would
You
be
know,
awesome.
I have one of my own.
You do? Can I see it?
Absolutely. Check this out.
What?
Oh. Look at there.
Look at that.
Yep.
Handyman Hal in a cone.
Safety cone, I love it.
That's so cool.
Oh, wow. Well, let's get you a shirt.
All right. Oh, wow. That's so cool. That is so cool. Do you know how it works?
Yep, he's using a really, really awesome tool.
Uh-huh.
It's called an airbrush.
Okay.
Yep, and it uses compressed air, goes through a tube where there's paint, and it uses a needle that makes the point of the paint on the shirt.
Wow, it's almost like blowing paint through a shop.
It really is.
That's super cool. All right, I think it's done.
I know, right? Oh, look at
Wow,
that!
it says
Doesn't
Brecky
that look
Breck.
good?
That looks so
Ooh,
good.
It has your glasses and your bow
I
on there.
love it. Wow, thank
Oh,
you
that's
so
awesome.
much.
There we go, yeah.
Wow, this is so cool. How
Yeah,
special.
we both have our shirts. Oh, wow. This is awesome.
Wow.
Check those out.
That was amazing. Thank
Oh,
you so
wow.
much for showing me all around your city. This was really fun.
I hope you have a wonderful time here in Myrtle Beach.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for watching Handyman Hal today and
Brecky Breck.
We'll see you later.
Bye.
Cause we're awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah, we're awesome, 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 yes we are. And we're smart and we're cute, we're even awesome when we toot. Excuse me. We're awesome, 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 awesome. We can learn, we can play, we can have an awesome day, yeah. We're awesome, 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 awesome. We'll have fun, me and you, being awesome's what we do, cause we're awesome. We're awesome, 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 awesome.
How's a handyman? A handyman that's got a plan. How's a handyman? If he can fix it, no one can.
We're going to learn all about it today. Come on, let's go.